Hello everyone, welcome to Jean's Home Decor and More. I'm Jean. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. If you're one of my subscribers, a special shout out to you guys. Well, today I am making cabbage with some sausage in it. This is a mild sausage. And then I'm going to add some shrimp. So let me just tell you how I made this. Because I started making it and I forgot to film the first part of it. So, in any event, what I did is I started off by, you know, chopping up some onion, green pepper, and celery, and I call that the Trinity. So that's what I did, and I sauteed that in the pan, and when that got nice and, caramelized, then I add the sausage. And also, let me just say this, what I used to saute it in is this Sonoma Gourmet Sauteed Garlic. It's made with California extra virgin olive oil. This is so good, guys. This is really good. Now, I get this at the Safeway here in Maryland. I don't know, I guess you can get it anywhere probably, but this is really good. It has an olive oil with garlic in it. And so that's what I use to saute my vegetables. And so then after I put the sausage in and I, let them cook a while, then I add the cabbage in it. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add some shrimp. Okay? So I'm letting this cook down a little bit. And now I'm getting ready to add some shrimp. So keep watching. Okay, guys, so what I've done here is I've added some shrimp. And so I think that this makes a healthy meal. The spices that I used were salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and some paprika. So that was pretty much it. I did add a pinch of butter in it. And so I added some shrimp. And so I think this looks pretty good. And cabbage is a cancer-fighting vegetable. So cabbage is extremely good for you. It's very healthy. And so this is what I have made for dinner. So I will probably add some chicken along with this for dinner. But this is what I have made for my quick and easy meal. Quick and easy meals are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. I'll be posting the links to our channels down in the description box below. You click on that along with the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals 23, and you'll be able to see some other great recipes. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this. I mean, it was quick. It was quick. I forgot to start I forgot to film the first part. But just wanted to, show that, we want to add some veggies in with our daily consumption every day. So you guys have an amazing day. Happy holidays. Until the next video. Bye-bye.